Wireless Backup Camera Review. ZEROXCLUB BL104 Magnetic Solar System. Real results. Ever tried backing a 35-foot trailer into a tight campsite while everyone watches? I remember gripping the wheel, mirrors useless, guessing how close I was to a tree. That slow crawl backward feels endless. If you drive an RV, tractor, or long trailer, you know that stress. What vehicle are you running right now? That moment creates real pressure in your chest. Your heart is steady but tense, scanning mirrors that never show the full picture. I tried wired cameras before, dealing with messy installs and weak signals. Others drained batteries too fast. What you really want is visibility without complexity. Clear sightlines, simple setup, real control. Don't just pick any wireless backup camera system. Make sure it has true solar-powered magnetic cameras so you never suffer complicated wiring and dead batteries again. That shift led me to the ZEROXCLUB BL104 Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera System. This system gives you 4 HD 1080p cameras with heavy-duty magnetic mounts, so installation takes minutes instead of hours. Each camera has a built-in 9600 mAh battery topped off by solar charging, which means no hardwiring through 40 feet of fiberglass. The 10.1-inch touchscreen monitor supports single, split, or quad view, letting you see behind, beside, and even your hitch at the same time. Built-in DVR with loop recording quietly captures incidents or scenic drives. Here is what surprised me. A friend finishing a late workday hooked it onto his fifth wheel before a weekend trip, paired everything in under 10 minutes, and backed into a wooded site calmly for the first time. Let me be honest. Night vision is decent, but not the strongest on the market. After a few trips, the difference shows up in small ways. A professional RV technician praised how the BL104 eliminates wire fishing through long motorhomes, cutting install time dramatically. An RV lifestyle creator highlighted the clean 1080p image and the quad view layout for tight campsites. From an industry angle, analysts note that combining solar charging, magnetic mounting, and DVR recording directly addresses installation complexity and battery anxiety in large vehicle camera systems. Owners consistently mention stable 2.4 GHz wireless transmission and strong signal range, even on longer trailers. One dump truck driver shared that seeing both the rear and side simultaneously helped avoid backing into hidden obstacles. The IP69K waterproof rating also adds confidence in heavy rain or dusty harvest fields. Now, fair point. A micro SD card is not included for DVR recording, and in extended cloudy weather, you may need to top up via USB-C. Still, the flexibility of moving cameras between vehicles is a quiet advantage many people underestimate. Imagine your next highway merge or campsite backing maneuver feeling controlled instead of uncertain. If you want a wireless backup camera review favorite built for large rigs, the ZEROXCLUB BL104 Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera System offers clarity without complicated installs. Thousands of RV owners, truck drivers, and equipment operators already use systems like this for added confidence on the road. You will find my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment, and I may earn a small commission if you choose it, at no extra cost to you. Take a look, measure your setup, and drive with confidence.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.